that she's sitting here, then also I'll try. And
Yes.
I'm like really having on and off headaches very frequently. I'm not sure why. I have started doing root chakra, and I'm just
Good.
telling you, your root chakra that 9th May, like 9th June is so good. Before this, I did that and that took some 15 minutes gap, and now did this, and now I'm feeling so light in my head, and things are really very light now. I'm thinking
Yeah.
morning, evening, every time. Like I somehow I'll take out time and I have to
Good.
do.
You
And
have to.
I'm really
The reason
happy
why your
that
head hurts is because of your nervous system dysregulation. When your nervous system is in hypervigilance, a lot of cortisol, a lot of stress, a lot of not releasing the resistance is when you feel all the things you're feeling. So just get back to it, like you said, the chakra, the ninth May one that you like. Whatever one you like, stick to it, keep practicing it every day. Because you were doing it every day, all of that went away, right? It's just all the
yeah,
stuff, like,
I
the
really want to tell
pain we
you.
have. Go ahead.
I really want to tell that for 1 month, that is May month, I did all the meditation. I was like almost every day I used to come in night time here, like I'm in India now, so night time. Morning I
Yeah.
used to again do chakra healing and other meditations. And for one whole month I didn't have headache at all. And then I got
I used to have
surgery
a
and
lot of headaches. I used to have a lot of headaches, and our body has this inner pharmacy that we produce when we are in that state of relax, rest, and digest. Like, that's the whole point of sleeping, right? When we sleep, we are literally, like, I want you guys to think about